5-0. What's that about? Right now we just trying to get this money, man. I don't plan on keeping nothing. I got a great deal on that thing. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'll drive this vet. I'm already up there. I'm already up there. I'm already up there. Oh my God. Here go my truck. Yeah, boy.
Dummy retarded and ride the yellow bus. Turn the car in circles until the time's bust. Out the window like cuss. On the hood of the scraper like.
Lucky's Wheels and Deals. We back at it again with another lit video, you guys. So today I'm still driving Pop's little local. I do not like how this car rides. It just be like I don't know. It just feel like it feel like it needs something going on with the suspension or something. But hey, but it looks clean. It looks nice. Just not my type of ride. It's kind of I don't like how it ride. Maybe I don't know. I don't know if something got to be fixed or that's just how they ride. I don't know. But y'all know I like to ride high. We ride Chevys on the high rides. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna go in here and see what I can get, man. It's actually been going on for hours. 10:09. I just started an hour and 9 minutes ago. 9 o'clock. Is that 5? What is that? 5-0. What's that about? Y'all comment below. I don't know about that. Challenging. It says 5-0. The 50th anniversary or something seemed different about that one. I don't know if it's the color or it seemed wider. I don't know. But anyways, guys, I'm hungry them up. Hopefully they still got some donuts or some fruit or something I can snack on. And I'll probably try to find another truck or whatever. Truck's been selling pretty good lately. You know, I've been making some good money on them trucks. I'm a truck guy, so I've been doing pretty good with those. See what else I can find, man. I really want to get my Monte Carlo ready, the silver one, where I could daily drive that thing. I'm ready to drive that thing. I really don't like driving. Even if I sold Pop's cars or whatever, I don't want to touch none of his cars or drive none of them. Even though he'll let me, but I like to drive my own stuff. That's just how I've always been. I've never been the type to drive my girl's car, nothing like that. I'll go ahead and drive. Like, nah, I like to drive my own stuff. That's just how I've always been. But anyways, my truck looked higher than this one too. Well, I cannot wait. I cannot wait, boy. So yeah, we're gonna be picking that thing up. They said to come over there within an hour. So by the time I leave here, I'll be going to go get my truck. I gotta find a way to get back that truck. I don't know, I'll probably call my mom. Pops just left out of town with one of his lady friends. We're gonna keep it like that. I won the bid. Ooh, I wanna look at this truck. I actually won the bid on a Silverado. I think I got a great deal on the Silverado and a good deal on a Chevy Corvette. So we're gonna see, man. Right now we just trying to get this money, man. I don't plan on keeping nothing. You know what I mean? We about to fix stuff up and sell them, have fun with them. Have fun with them and sell them. So, but anyways, guys, we're gonna get to this money. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I do want to see what this old school Supra go for. It gives me IROC vibes. All right, let's see what it go for. I'm gonna see what it go for. So guys, this is the Corvette that I got. It's still on a phone call. So what that means is we're gonna see if they take my offer, the bidding offer or whatever. I don't like red cars. I don't even care for the color red. I wish it was black. But it'll look clean though. It don't look bad. A little tape right there. Other than that, it don't look bad at all. I don't know what the hell that's doing up there. Oh, they probably taped it up there where. What the hell? Oh, for it won't be dark. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Let me go find where the truck is, and plus I want to see is there any other vehicles out here that I might want. It was on that Corvette. Who got it? Who got it? I got it. I got a great deal on that thing. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But let me look around and see where this Silverado is at, and see if I can find any other vehicles that I might want. I want to look at this little clean Silverado. It's actually concrete, look good. All right, so other Silverado, the Silverado that I ended up getting was this one. I'm buying big boy trucks. That's all I want to sell. That's all I want to buy. Check this fluid on it. It's the oil. I don't know what the hell is this green stuff on there. What? The oil dirty. Dirty. Got the 5.3. A little off-road looking rim. This thing is filthy inside. I'm afraid to jump up in this thing. It's so up in here. Oh, where this little back piece is. Got a microwave back there. Huh. Oh man. So guys, so this got a little more features on there than my truck. I ain't got that back window. I don't even think I ever used that back window. That shit, to me, it's pretty cool to have that back window. Every option is cool to have. Let's see. Oh, this shit look like it's too much trash in here. For me, it's just, Well, let me go ahead and get up out of here. We're gonna take this bad boy for a test drive. Since I did get it, like I said, this one's on a phone call, but you gotta test drive them before a certain time. All right, y'all, let's mob up out of here. So far, so good. I know we gotta take this bad boy on the freeway, the highway like we did. We go this way. All right, take this bad boy on the highway and freeway. So I bought this on a yellow light, means I can only check the light. It only gotta be gear related. It can't be engine related. So before you bid on this car, you have to basically listen to the engine, which I heard the engine while they was revving it up, while they was driving it through. But you can't test drive it before you buy it. So you buy it on yellow light, so they guarantee the transmission, the gears and all that. Let's see, is my Monte Carlo out there? What's going on with it? I don't see it out there, but let's test drive this thing. That's trash. Hold on, wait a minute. I know all this trash gonna be flying away. What is that noise? Are these tires making that noise? Are my tires gonna make that noise? If they do, I'm gonna put some pipes on that thing. Have it growling and wilding. Transmission doing. It's fucking hot. The AC on, man, but let's see what this thing do. I'm surprised this ain't all tore up, yo. Normally this be all tore up and stuff. I'm surprised. That is nasty or something. I don't know, it don't look that nasty. It's just a bunch of trash though, so ain't no telling. Ain't no telling, like Jack told Helen. somebody always gotta be in my way. Good thing we got gas, because I was not trying to put gas in the car and they talking about I didn't win it or whatever, and they don't want to take my offer, and I'm out of $20 in gas, $10 in gas. Gas ain't cheap right now. Oh, we already got it 80. So this thing is pumping and jumping. Like it should be pretty good. Riding pretty good, not all over the road. Oh yeah, I can get jiggy with this. Seem like bigger investments sell better. You don't have to worry, like you make bigger money on dealing with one car versus multiple cars. I mean, to each his own, man. Y'all know I started with selling them cars for $800, $1,000 to $1,500, and just make $200, $300, man. So I was cool with making that kind of money, but now I got to make $2,000 or better, $5,000 or better. You know what I mean? So, but other than that, woo-wee. This truck get it. This truck get it. I think it's the cold air intake that makes this car, the throttle response is good on here. Plus it's the, so yeah, this truck is good. I don't know the difference between Z71 and the 4x4. Like it says RPM like times 1,000. Like does it got more RPM? Like I'm trying to know what's the difference. You know what I'm saying? It's about that time to pick up my car. I think where we at. I think I'm about to actually drive past this place. I'm gonna see if my car is out there. So check out everything. So the truck seems like it's pretty good. Like Z71 off-road. It drives good. I don't know why those tires roared like that, but it seems like it's pretty good. I don't know, kind of black rhino hard alloy. It's the full size door. It's a 2015. So hey, the silver. I think I should make some good money on that thing. Stand up on this. Roof look decent. Oh, by the way, I forgot I was on the phone with my sister Roro. That's why I didn't cut the camera back on and recorded the my truck. My truck is done. I already seen it. I just drove past it, so it's done. Also, we gotta go test drive this Corvette. That car is good. I mean, that truck is good. Let's go test drive this Corvette. This Corvette might be a good daily, man. I think the Corvette is just a good look for me, and then it's cool that I didn't pay that much for it. It looked like I paid, like, you know, you pull up, it looked like you got a little money. Plus it's a Chevy and it's sporty, but it ain't, you know, after you already had the C7 Z06 and then you go to that, it's kind of like, you know what I mean? But good thing I didn't come straight from that, because I came from my IROC and then I went to the Corvette. So kind of like, you know, something, you know, a little different. But let's go over here and see where the hell did I park it. I think it's in the first lane over here. Oh man, guys. Oh, there you go, right here. Let's go try this vet out. Woo. It's like a highway over here. Try this vet. I ain't worried about the option. I don't need to buy nothing else. I think that's how you do it. That's how people be messing up. They be sending. Oh. Hold on now. Hold on, shut up. Sound. Sound like a liquor. like that. They gonna sell this to me. How much gas we got? Yeah, that's why I messed up at. Should have checked and see how much oil was in this thing. I'm tripping. LS1. I don't got nothing to wipe this on. Hold on, we're gonna wipe it on this paper right here. Alright. Now let's stick it in there, stick it in the hole. I don't know, we're gonna drive in, try to hear it. I'm gonna start it up. Buddy, got the black and red thing going on. Alright. We got the things that target top that pop off. I know y'all said Lucky about to get a bet. I was reading the comments yesterday. Y'all like, oh, what are you about to get next? What are you about to get next? I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. I don't hear in the back. That just felt better being in the back. Woo. Hold on. Look in the back. Yeah, it got me started. Uh-oh. Yeah. Alright, y'all. I'll holler at y'all a little bit when we roll up out of here. So far so good, man. I actually like how beds feel. Got me started. God damn. This thing. Pull up to the curb, then slurve gently. I'm not bad. Which way did he go, George? Which way did he go? Oh, he went this way. Okay. Goddamn, why the hell did I buy this? Y'all know I like Corvettes. Oh, yeah. Let's swap the IROC, this how it will feel. Let me envision it. Come on, let's test drive it. Get it up to speed. Punch 200. Punch it. Punch it good. Matter of fact, when I get out, I want to listen to the engine, see if it still got that little noise. Alright, it's got plenty of power. Thing feels good. AC blow, ice cold. Got the tints on there. They got light tint. When I'm looking at these tinted glasses, I'm looking like, come on, man. Go on now. I didn't need that, man. I know a lot of y'all will be like, he gonna get another Z06 Corvette like he had. Oh, he's about to get a C8. He's gonna get a C4, but don't get the Crossfire. Man, I don't know yet. Or do I? I don't know. But I think I want to play around with this one for a little bit if I get it. I mean, if I get it on the approval. See? I'm trying to punch it quick. Punch it on the exit. This thing got power. I'm in the bit. Supercharged Corvette. This thing, you know, since I've been driving the IROC, this is like way better capacity. So, I would get a wrap on this car. I don't know what I want to do yet. Let me pull over here real quick, or we can hear this damn engine. I don't know what parking lot this is, but so everything's good on this thing. My little walk around of it. I think it's cool. God damn. I actually like this thing. The money I pay for this. God damn, I might as well just hold on to it. I got less money in this than all my other vehicles. Look like I got a Corvette as a daily. You know what I'm saying? Let's see how these lights work. Look the high as they go. Are they supposed to go higher? Oh no, they fixed it like that. Okay, they only go that high. Okay. I like that. I don't know what I might do. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what I might do just yet. Probably won't do nothing but drive it and then sell it. Make my money. Get your paper, look. Get your paper. That's all I hear. Look, you just keep getting your paper, man. But I think I'm about to order these rims for my Chevelle. I think I want to go with 22s on my Chevelle. I ain't gonna lie to you. So I'm gonna go over here, probably order some rims. I'm spending money like it grow on trees or something. They don't grow on trees, but they grow trees. That makes sense. But anyways, guys, I'll holler at y'all in a little bit. Hopefully the next scene after I cut from here, I'll be picking up my truck. So we got good news. I got that 2015 Silverado. So that one's mine. Still waiting on the phone call for that Corvette, man. Driving that Corvette make me miss my old Corvette. So it's like, dang. But I can hop around with that one for a little bit until I find what I'm looking for. Here go my truck. So she said drive it for, what she say, 500 miles. Drive it for 500 miles. Woo-wee. Right there. She said something about, she put me in. These ones must have not fit. I don't know, man. What the hell? I guess that's what happened when you buy a rim somewhere else and then come here. I don't know what the hell. What's going on? Got my stuff out of here. I gotta wait till Pops get back in town, or I'll wait till later on I can get a ride from someone else. I want to pick up my Silverado too. I don't like leaving my vehicles there, so I will figure it out. Oh yeah, by the way, if y'all watched yesterday's video, ain't nothing in there. Y'all watched yesterday's video. Hey, I wonder did anyone touch my money? Ooh, in the big boy thing. Doing big things. I think I'm about to go order my rims real quick. Look. Does it look like they touched my money? I don't know. I don't know. So that one did not read. That shit's stupid. Yeah, boy. What is that the hell? Oh, okay, so that's the service when I need to come back and do it. Hold on. Wait a minute. That's what I'm talking about. Got the big boy sitting on big. This what I'm talking about. Now what? Now I feel like I'm in a truck. Now I feel like I'm in a truck. Big boy. Now I need to order my rims for my Chevelle, man. And I need to order some rims for my Monte Carlo. But I don't know which rims I want to go with. That set up yet. So let me go over here and order my rims one time. Yeah. Right there, man. Cali off-road rims. There we go. A little ass girl, look like a little ass girl driving and shit. Little ass girl driving and shit. She look like she 12 years old driving, 13 years old driving. Big ass Escalade. Oh man. Take my picture one time, man. This thing is looking right, boy. Yeah, boy. Got that lift on there right, looking right, boy. I said, man, I'm trying to switch it up on them one time. Lucky Wheels and Deals on that big boy. Oh, Lucky Wheels and Deals sitting high. Jump out, bounce out. Whee! See my what she got over there? That the tamale lady. Got hungry than a mother. Look.
Retarded and ride the yellow bus. Turn the car in circles until the time's bust. Out the window like, cuss. On the hood of the scraper.